How to convert BNB to USDT in Binance. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will learn how we can convert BNB to USDT on Binance. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, launch your Binance application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So on your home page, navigate to top left corner and tap on the Binance icon there. Here again, tap on More Services button from this interface. Using the search bar, you have to search for Convert and then tap on it. So once you are on this page, here, tap on the drop down that says From. Since we want to convert BNB to USDT, here we have to select BNB. After that, under the To drop down, tap on it and here we have to select USDT. So once you're done with that, enter the amount of BNB that you want to convert. After that, you will see the equivalent amount on USDT that you can convert. So once you're satisfied, tap on Preview. And if you have sufficient balance on your account, you will have an option to convert and to execute the transaction. If you don't have the sufficient balance, then you may not be able to complete this process. Once you have the sufficient balance, tap on Convert to execute the transaction, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.